ProTinkerToys. We're doing the hopper truck model with 10 functions. It's a professional RC. We've got it right here. Thank you very much. Adam drove all the way over with the RC. He bought it. We shipped it to him, and then he actually drove it back to us so we could do this video. We're doing an unboxing. We did open it up.
He drove that in the snow?
Oh, it's six-wheel drive.
Oh, that's right, it is.
You can hold. Yep, this is safe to drive because we got some snow outside, so this is very cool. So let's open it up right here. Holy smokes, this is awesome. This is heavy. Yeah. This is heavy duty. This is not like plastic, your cheap plastic. Oh, look at this. Look at this remote. That's pretty nice. It's 1/14. It's for ages 8 and up. We talked about it in one of the other, on the excavator video though. Your son is 4 and he uses these vehicles very easily. Wow, that is nice. That's got that's all metal. That is metal. Now this.
And then there's the tailgate. That's plastic, but it's pretty durable. Yeah,
that's heavy. That is solid. Look at that. That is sweet.
What did you say about the Yahoo in the basement?
Oh, so there's the guy that I saw on YouTube that had was doing a review on this, and he put 6 dumbbells on the back, or 6 10-pound dumbbells for 60 pounds, and was driving around, and it was no problem. Wow. And it lifted up.
Okay, let's look. So now, let's show everybody. We've got inside the box. You've got obviously the dump truck. You got the remote control. You got the battery pack, and the manual. Okay, rocker installation. The first thing we're doing is we're getting the battery in. So you just hook that battery up. Now you charged it already?
Already charged. I would charge all your batteries for these RCs overnight.
Good thing you brought yours, because if Brian did it, these would be dead right now.
And yep, and there's a screw that goes here, but no, I got them over here, so we're good. We'll just, because I'll take it out. Okay. And then there's little knobs that go on here, but we'll save time and get rid of those. You just screw those on and you're good. And then the on-off switch is on the back here by the battery.
Oh! Oh, wow. Okay.
Here's the remote. Lowers, raise the bed, lights.
Oh, there's a pump.
And then you can kill the sound. And then...
That's loud.
Where's the lights?
Yeah, where are the lights? Hit the light button again.
It's a horn, I'm sorry.
Oh.
But the lights, when you go forward and backwards, will come on. And if I go left, you'll get a left turn signal. You got the left turn signal?
No, I'm not getting it.
Oh, maybe here.
There we go. There we go.
So you go backwards, you'll get a beeping sound. And then your bed will go up.
Oh, it opens up and
Oh, what a mess.
Cool. We got our forward right there. And then you turn like that. So back up.
It's like he's already dumped enough stuff on the floor.
See, I like this one a little more because it's a little easier to control. Like for a kid, this is a good one to start with. But it's still complicated.
It is, but you get a hang of it real quick.
And it's pretty quick.
Yeah. And it's responsive, the controls. I mean, it's precise.
Like this?
Yep.
Look at that. I mean, no, it doesn't. It's like it's not even anything on it. It's still moving around.
Right.
That is really cool. These are some other items that go with this. So, what you can do is we did a video of the excavator, so definitely check that out. We're going to be doing this one next. This is the
bulldozer.
This is really cool looking. I can't wait to do this video. They're all 1/14 scale. Once again, you can see they're very high quality. This isn't your cheap Walmart stuff. You can get some, but they're like $3. You were saying
they're a couple $1,000 a piece.
There's some that are if you did some research, you looked at some stuff.
Right, and you have to put them all together, and these are pretty much ready to go right out of the box.
Yeah, because we just opened it. All you did was charge the battery, correct?
Correct.
And then we ended up getting this out on the floor, racing it around. I like that. This is cool. This is, and it's high quality. Like, it's good. This is. You haven't taken it outside yet?
No, not yet. It's just been too cold here in Ohio, but They are outside, durable, and waterproof.
You said waterproof, okay.
Right.
Yep. So get the excavator, get the bulldozer and the dump truck, and you can do construction on your house even. Adam's redoing his house, so he got these to be able to help with
digging
that.
the foundation next week.
Right.
So make sure in the description below, there's a link to this item. I might even link this item and this item just so you can get all of them, okay? Get the complete collection, right? You save a lot of money, okay? Instead of $3,000 a piece, these are a lot less. So check them out. Hit the thumbs up button. Also hit the subscribe. 50% of our viewers aren't even subscribed, okay? If you hit that thumbs up, you hit that subscribe button, and then all of you guys, we're not big like Walmart. We're not a big box store. We don't have $1 million budget to advertise. We have no money at all. We're broke, okay? Look, we got stuff all over the floor. So
We're broke?
we're going out of
Great.
business. Just kidding.
Unbelievable.
But get these, hit that share button, share it on any platform you can. If you do that, get the word out there, we'll be bigger than Walmart, all those big box stores overnight, because it's all about you guys. It's all about the customer, okay? Remember that. Tim, you be quiet. You love the customers, and the customers love you too.
He's
And
pretty good on the phone today.
he was amazing.
He's more
Tim,
than the art department anymore.
He's very good. He is very good. And thank you, Adam, for bringing this
No
so that
problem.
we could do the video. And driving over here, we had a blast with you today. So thank you.